HCMC stock update today. So the news is that HCMC has just filed a motion for an extension of time to file its motion for leave to amend the complaint by to amend the complaint. Obviously it lost that complaint against its patent, against it lost its complaint that as it concerns its patent infringement. So it has now filed a motion to extend that deadline. We obviously know that the deadline is coming up. The deadline was going to be Friday the 6th of August. So it has now filed a motion to extend it again by 2 weeks to the 20th of August. So we thank Jossum Sauce, Shark Infested Waters. He's the one that brought this news to our notice. So you can see it right on your screen here. It says it's the 44th entry, the topmost here. Monday, August 2nd, 2021. Motion for extension of time to file motion for leave to amend the complaint by Healthier Choices Corp. So yes, it's asking for another 2 weeks. So that 2 weeks is going to be added from the 6th, not from the 2nd. So hopefully the judge grants it. The deadline will be the 20th of August 2021. So that's what we are facing now. So according to Jossum, we understand that Philip Morris probably disagreed, didn't want the motion to be didn't want the deadline to be extended. But according to Jossum as well, the judge has been lenient, so he doesn't see any reason why he wouldn't continue to be lenient. So, but well, I would say if he has been lenient, maybe he might decide to say no, I'm not going to grant this because maybe the two parties are probably gradually beginning to take advantage of my leniency. But to be fair, I guess to be fair, it should grant he should grant it, because I think Philip Morris at some point was also granted some extension. So that's what we're facing right now. So we're expecting the motion for leave to amend the complaints from HCMC by the 20th of August, hopefully believing that the judge, Timothy C. Batten, will grant that request. So that's what's going on, and that's the latest. So as it concerns the stock closed up it closed up at $0.0009, an extension of about 12%. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, an extension of about 12%, and the stock has obviously that hefty 307 billion shares outstanding. But all in all, it has been extending. It's now converged with its 10-day, 20-day moving average. Has also surpassed its 10-day moving average, converging now with the 20-day moving average, but still trading below all of its longer term and medium term moving averages, which in this case will be the 50-day and the 200-day moving average. So, but the stock has been retracing since the best part of the last 2 or 3 months, and but even with all of that, the underlying trend is still a very bullish one. We can see that the 200-day moving average, which is this orange curve, is upward sloping. So all in all, the underlying trend, like I indicated, is still very much bullish, and the stock has continued to rally since I think since the last few days of July. It has continued to pretty much extend, but we still believe the stock will continue to extend, and it will reach at least $0.0012. We believe it will eventually get there, and hopefully market participants will ignore the the lawsuits and just continue to trade the stocks, continue to trade its fundamentals, and look at the bright side of things. The company itself is making money. Maybe not as profitable as such, but it's also doing its best to develop other assets in the form of its intellectual property and all that stuff. So there are a lot of positives as apart from the prospects of winning a huge settlement or winning a huge settlement as it concerns its copyright infringement with Philip Morris. So yes, if you're there, let's move on. Let's let the case take its course, whether it wins or not, whether Hcmc wins or not. Let's move on and treat the stock as it is. Okay, so we just had to bring you that update. They have filed for a motion for an extension of the 6th of August deadline. They want it extended by another 2 weeks to the 20th of July to 20th of August. So that's what we are waiting for. Hopefully we expect that the judge will grant that extension. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.